one of the things that I didn't go into in the content creation window is a very powerful feature when you've got content that you might want to recycle or reuse over time, and that is the categories or the content tags. Whatever you call them, it's a very powerful tool. So here, I'm going to edit this post we were creating. Here's the section right below where we put in our captions, and you can see here we can add another caption. So category tags and drip campaigns work very powerfully. If we wanted to add another caption, we could actually set up an event post, for example, that has the same graphic, and we post a different caption over the next 5 times it posts. So we create the post once, but we create 5 captions, and like I said, they will go in order. So if you're doing an event, you posted a month out, the first caption post, save the date, we're a month out from the event. And then every week, you can post another version of the caption. Again, it's going to post the same image, and that is a very powerful feature we'll get into. This demo right here, I'm going to show you about content tags. Tags are very powerful. Let's say we want to create content that we can use again and again, and I like to call those type of posts evergreen because they're relevant at any time. They can post in any season. I'm going to use this evergreen tag right here. That is given this piece of content, the evergreen tag. I'm going to update it, and there it's labeled here. The power for that is when we go to the schedules, then we're going to click on cues, and we're going to create a schedule. And this is going to be a weekly schedule, and these are my evergreen posts. I want them to post, let's say, around 11:30. That's a pretty good universal time across the board when social media posts are noticed. A lot of people take lunch breaks, and let's just say we want these posts, let's say every Tuesday at 11:30, I want to create that schedule. Now I want to autofill this schedule, and I'm going to add my evergreen tag. So we've got one piece of content. You can see a couple things here. It's not approved, but there's still only one piece of content. But if we look at the calendar, the next available day, we've got this schedule right here where it's posting this. Let me tell you a few other tricks. So if I turn on recycling on this post, and that is found by this the faint arrows, if you click that button, it enables recycling. So what happens there is that lets that post repeat. Now this is just to show you how powerful this is. This isn't the actual post I would want to repeat every week, but with the recycling button enabled, look, it's going to fill that time slot for the entire future. I can scroll ahead several months in advance, and that post is recycling. It's going to post the same time every week. That's pretty powerful. But let me show you something else we can do. So we're going to edit it. So now that recycling's enabled, we have these options here. Let's say our event is coming up. We don't want to post it so many times. So we want to just end it by, just going to guess March 4th. That's to expire by a date. We set the date there. Or if I turn that off and I want to expire the post, because I don't want it to run more than 3 times, that will seem a little too often. So I've updated that, and you can see any changes reflected on your calendar view. That post is going to be recycled 3 times, and then it stops. It's as easy as that.